Welcome to Auto Trend. Today the Lamborghini Aventador is a high-performance supercar introduced by the Italian automaker Lamborghini as a successor to the Murcielago. It features a bold and aggressive design, incorporating sharp angles, low stance, and aerodynamic elements that give it a powerful presence on the road. Under the hood, the Aventador is powered by a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine that produces over 700 horsepower, enabling it to accelerate from 0 to 100 km/h 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 2.9 seconds, with a top speed exceeding 350 km/h 217 miles per hour. The engine is paired with a 7-speed independent shifting rod ISR automated manual transmission and an all-wheel drive system that provides exceptional handling and traction. The car's carbon fiber monocoque chassis ensures lightweight performance and structural rigidity, contributing to its outstanding driving dynamics. Inside, the Aventador offers a driver-focused cockpit with premium materials such as leather, alcantara, and carbon fiber, along with advanced infotainment and digital displays. It features scissor doors, a Lamborghini signature, and a range of customization options through the Ad Personam program, allowing owners to personalize every detail of their vehicle. The Aventador has seen several variants over its production life, including the Aventador S, Aventador SV Superveloce, SVJ Superveloce Hoda, and limited edition models like the Aventador Miura Homage and Aventador Ultimi, which marked the final production run of this iconic V12 model. The Lamborghini Aventador not only represents the pinnacle of Lamborghini's engineering and design but also stands as a symbol of exotic automotive excellence and raw performance.